Indeed, the sorrow of losing a parent, especially a mother, is to the extreme and an emotional severe one. I pray for the soul of our dear mother, oh Lord, and that you keep her safe in heaven. You were a precious gift from God. So much beauty, grace, love, and patience you possess. You touch our heart in so many ways. Heard God's whisper, calling you home. You did not want to leave me and my little sister. I seen your fight. You loved that so much that you held on tight until all you and slip away quietly without telling us goodbye. My mother was an inspiring soul, always there for all who came to her with their troubles. Her home was open to everyone, and her hospitality made them feel important. She was the most loving, humble, compassionate, understanding, family-oriented woman, and one of the most beautiful souls one could ever meet. We will forever miss you, Mom, and may your soul rest in peace, Mother. We love you.
Radam Chichi More, and what Modishia you. It must be Pensua, ye dream, Pensua, ye biti, Utu for Yankopon Assem. Asema Odoma Kuma Yankopon, the Medi Power, as was as is no Bakoy and a body. So who said a higher Sawaria, a Chese, or Yankopon, or Yaresafo. So who say Siama Wonka, a Chese, Utu for Yankopon or Yanka. Na asema obeti de eye de adi dubere atimtim se jode for di pass so for di leji na be di echi se wo he yente bo no ho a na wo hwe ye ni fa so bo no a maami oye asore peni ye friend Inis Sapo oye asore peni nia e potre fa so a ohe ma adwoa otirai ono so oye asore peni ena anti amagye asafodom no ho bu akyire ni nyina ye bahasa ye ne ye nua ba no ene nana papa ye ne e ba besom na ye jane de hie ne kwan kra ye papa a wade otumfo Nyankopon asem a ye tintim odubere so ebere ye no ne den ye fe no Reverend Thomas Tewia pacho ye mfa nsembon hia no ebere a osori na ode otumfo Nyankopon asem ma ye Lantra 1972 Ashala osifan Badaloma ye wo dia baba oh, I don't think so. Amen. Yes. Yes.